We've got a quick show today. We're going to explain things. This is a new segment. If you like it, subscribe. Stop. If you want to comment, and if you want to share it, share it.
Share it with who?
Share it with anyone.
But who would they share it with?
Their family, or their friends, or the world. I don't know. Anyway, this is supposed to be a fast one.
Oh yeah, a fast one. It's the explaining show.
It's the explaining show.
In under 10 minutes.
Yeah, in under 10 minutes. We're going to explain what cars are.
What are cars?
What are cars?
What are they?
They're magic boxes. Basically big magic boxes that take you on trips to the shops and to your granny's.
Who lives in the forest?
Well, she doesn't have to live in the forest. No, she can live anywhere.
But most grannies live it.
That's just in fairy tales. Okay, so cars. So they're big magic boxes. How they work is like this. There's a thing called petrol, or if you're in the United States, gas. Gas.
It doesn't exist.
What?
It's like air.
What?
Gas. It's like air.
Well, I think, no. Anyway, so these big magic boxes, they work in gas or petrol, and you put the petrol in a big hole.
In a big hole?
Yeah, usually in the side of the car, and the petrol goes through the alternator, and the alternator twitches round and hits the fan belt, and the fan belt has an engine in it.
An engine?
Yeah, an engine that's filled with electricity, and the electricity moves the wheels, and then inside the magic box you have a wheel.
A wheel?
Yeah, cars come with lots of wheels. Then you can get cars with 2 wheels, cars with 4 wheels, cars with 9 wheels, cars with 6 wheels.
And there's a wheel inside too?
Yeah, it's a steering wheel.
A steering wheel? What do you do with that?
Steer.
What does that mean?
You move it in directions.
Directions?
Yeah, like where you want to go.
Oh.
And then, so you have to buy one first.
Buy one, how much do they cost?
Ooh, a lot of money to buy a car. Cars are one of the most expensive things in the world.
Really? How much are we talking?
Well, we're talking about maybe $20, $35 dollars.
Dollars? What's that in yen?
Yeah, it's 4 yen.
4 yen? What's that in rubles?
It's 22, I think.
Oh, what's that in euros?
In euros, it's about 5,598.
Really?
Yeah.
Cars are very expensive then.
Yeah, they're very expensive.
Why?
Because they're magic.